Kodagma shalni yagulo wati wawui kha Swrangjak mungman kha hukbar khlainirok. Hukbar khlainirokni Kheto huk haba ranchoi tongmani paithago wati wawui kha Swrangjak mungman kha hukbar khlainirok. Sonamura bukhaste Kathalia blogo tongnai kwbangma lukurokni bisingo hukbar khlainirok no kwbang. Hukbar khlainirok huk haba Kheto mukutung thakatung khayui nok nukung pusiwi tongjajao phiaba wati wayani jarui huk haba Kheto rok ranchoi tongmani mai kaimaya angai tonglaimani phiaba paithago wati wawui kha Swrangjak mungman kha hukbar khlainirok phiaba babaisa phaijingtui wati wawui tongkosong tongnai lukurok jongjalo klailaijak lukurokni nok nogo tui habui tongthai kwrui wnglaijak kwbangma lukurokni tui laina bagui drain kwrui wngma bai thanglaiso khlaina lama kwrui wngma bai tui laimaya wngui tui lomtutui Kathalia motor stand o tui lommani jarui malkhung bai thanglaiso khlainai lukurok jongjalo khlaijak harpek mamang ayang naisike uyang naisike obahaino mangpili kasai tongsio Kathalia constituency ni Kathalia banijik amchayo Sonamura ni simi bilunia bypass thangma lahar kotorbo snamjagyani bagui tabuk baitutui wngui tongkha abo karibo pukhri gwnang rokni pukhrini a rok bahaino thangui tongbaikha Kheto ail digi rogo obahaino jongjal klaijak wati wawui kwbangma kami amchayo tongnai tongkosong lukurok babaisa phaisingtui Uttor Moheshpur 3 number ward amchayo tongnai borok khoroksa bini bohaino wati wawui taibo se jongjal wngui phaimani koktoma kasai phaika wati wawui Kheto o tui laina bagui lama swnamjagya wngma bai joto tui no bini Kheto o kwchajak Kheto o tui kwchamani jarui Kheto harpek mamang wngui tongkha abai baksa tabuk a Kheto o Kheto khai chanani bagui jongjalo klaijak hukbar khlainai
কিরকম পাওয়া যায়
খারাপ পাওয়া যায় না ভালোই পাওয়া যায়
এই বৃষ্টির কারণে
বৃষ্টির কারণে
Hello, my name is Dr. Neelam Ahmed and I am the Managing Trustee of the Dhanwantri Group of Institutions. Here, I would like to share with you our journey. I am a medical doctor who studied in MS Ramaiah Medical College. In 2003, my husband and I started the nursing colleges, the Dhanwantri Group. We started with nursing, but today we have several courses and programs: allied health sciences, pharmacy, management studies, paramedical. And the good news is that today we started our Dhanwantri multi-speciality hospital. We have very good, experienced and well-trained faculty who take care of the students like their family members and are excellent in their teaching. Our students, after passing out, do very well and they are placed very well in hospitals across the world as well as India. We have excellent teaching facilities for our students, including full-fledged labs. We have all affiliations and approvals from the government. Our campus is easy to access as it is at a walkable distance from the Chikpanawar railway station.